I had a thought which I wanted to share. Unlike worldly success, which is extremely fickle by nature, religious success is not always obvious to people. Worldly success is always connected to material gain, such as fame, fortune, and authority, and is therefore obvious to people. But a Muslim must understand that real lasting success, which is connected to Islam, is not always obvious. In most cases, religious success involves peace of mind and body, something which is hard to observe. In addition, Allah, the Exalted, does not guarantee obvious worldly success to those who sincerely obey Him, as it is fickle in nature and does not lead to peace of mind and body. Obedience involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the holy and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, the following verses discuss the outcome of maintaining one's sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, during difficulties. None of the rewards are connected to worldly success. They are instead connected to spiritual success, which is often difficult to observe. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verses 155 to 157.
And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger, and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits, but give good tidings to the patient, who, when disaster strikes them, say, Indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return. Those are the ones upon whom are blessings from their Lord and mercy. And it is those who are the rightly guided.
Therefore, a Muslim must not believe that obeying Allah, the Exalted, leads to worldly success, such as wealth and authority, as in most cases the two are not connected. One should instead aim higher and prefer spiritual success, meaning peace of mind, as it endures through every situation in both worlds. Chapter 16 And now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.